Say something.
Ashley said, don't worry. You're live.
You're live. Or is it Memorex?
All right, you gonna check and make sure you can hear us?
Yep.
All right, let me know
Oh,
if you can.
Dad
No
jokes.
dad jokes, Chris. Please stop.
I said, is it live or is it Memorex?
Please don't.
Gotta have some humor here.
I know, but that's a dad joke. It's debatable.
You know, my wife would say that's a grandpa joke.
Hopefully Ashley can hear us, so we'll see.
Let's just not repeat our exchange in the earlier meeting.
All right, Craig actually says we can hear you. So, all right, it's 3:30. So, first off, on behalf of Lowell Schools, Tower, Pinkster, and OAK, we want to thank everybody for bidding today. Really do appreciate all the bids you're getting, and we do know how much time you guys and effort you put into it. So, we're going to read through the alternates. We're going to acknowledge the voluntary alternates. The post-bid schedule was included in the addendum, but they're for the. If you have any questions after it, please give Dan Rathman a call. He'll be working on the bid tabs. Those will be posted tomorrow. With that, we're going to start with bid category 1, concrete. First bidder is Epic Excavating. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $877,992. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $11,100. Next bidder is Kent Companies. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $692,450. Ultimate number 1 is an ad of $4,300. Next bidder is Van Line Concrete Construction. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $678,700. Nothing on the alternates. Next bidder is Burgess Concrete Construction. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $689,130. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $19,700. Next bid is Shepherd's Concrete. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $720,950. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $14,300. Next category, number 2, masonry. First bidder is Rosine Masonry. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $345,800. Next bidder is Complete Enclosures. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $312,300. Next bidder, JK Masonry. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $315,573. Next bidder is Brigade Masonry. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $234,004. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $950. Next category 3 is metals. First bidder is Steel Supply Center. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $93,295. Next category 4, general trades. First bidder is Nugent Builders. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $203,500. They have some voluntary alternates. Next bidder is JKB Construction. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $258,742. Next bidder is LJ Trumbull Builders. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $218,557. Next bidder is Mugen Construction. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $221,560. Next bidder is Baltimore Construction. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $206,229. And they have a voluntary alternate. Next category, number 5, roofing. First bidder is Versatile Roofing Systems. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $86,800. Name a voluntary alternate. Next bidder is J&L Roofing. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $48,050. Next bidder is J. Steeman Construction. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $65,500. Next bidder is Modern Roofing. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $76,895. Next category, number 6, coiling and overhead doors. First bidder is Overhead Door of Grand Rapids. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $20,384. Name a voluntary alternate. Next bidder is Behrman Associates. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $19,800, and they also have a voluntary alternate. Next category, number 7, aluminum glass and glazing. First bidder is Double O Incorporated. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $84,735. Next bidder is Grand Valley Glass. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $67,965. They have a voluntary alternate. Next bidder is Voss Glass. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $90,800. Next bidder is Battle Creek Glass Works. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $67,324. Next category, number 8, lath plaster drywall and acoustical. First bidder is Shepherd's Brothers. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $31,500. Next bidder is LPDA Incorporated. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $40,720. Next bidder, Central Ceiling West. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $14,840. Next category, number 9, painting. First bidder is K&A Commercial Industrial Painting. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $22,545. Next bidder is West Michigan Painting. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $10,460. Next bidder is Eckhoff and DeVries Painting. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $28,781. They have a voluntary alternate. Next bidder is Bork Brothers Painting. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $20,000. Next bidder is H&H Painting. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $13,215. Next bidder is JM Decorating. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $15,264. Next bidder is Halligan Painting. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $14,805. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $4,715. If painting at press box, interior, and doors required. Next bidder is Premier Property Services. They have the addendums. And they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $9,674. Next bid category, number 10, food service equipment. First bidder is Trimark SS Kemp. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $62,736. Next bidder is Stafford Smith. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $57,880. Next bidder is Great Lakes West. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $55,023. Next bidder is Merchandise Equipment and Supply. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $58,410. They have a voluntary alternate. Next category, number 11, bleachers and press box. First bidder is Southern Bleacher Company. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $317,600. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $260,335. They also have some voluntary alternates. Next bidder is E&D Specialty Stands. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $387,360. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $369,030. Next bidder is GT Grandstands. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $436,250. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $352,220, and they have some voluntary alternates. Next bidder is Sturgis Steel Company. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $328,300. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $278,000. Next category, number 12, mechanical plumbing. First bidder is DHE Plumbing and Mechanical. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $168,400. Next bidder is B&B Mechanical. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $186,500. Next bidder is Northwest Kent Mechanical. They have the addendums, they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $169,200. Next bidder, Advantage Mechanical and Refrigeration. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $149,517. Next bidder, Lampier Service Company. They have the addendums. They also endorse the schedule. Base bid, $150,850. Next category, number 13, electrical. First bidder is Klein Electric. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $543,720. They have a voluntary alternate. Next bidder is Parkway Communications. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid is $507,950. Next bid category is 14, technology. First bidder is Town and Country Group. They have the addendums, they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $287,667. There's some voluntary alternates. Next bidder is Hillard Electric. They have the addendums, they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $240,701. Next bidder is Acorn Sound Technology. They have the addendums, they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $399,711. And next bidder is Moss Communications. They have the addendums, they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $247,211.27. Next category, number 16, earthwork. First bidder is C&L Trucking and Excavating. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $687,018. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $8,992. Ultimate 2 is an ad of $61,069. Next bidder is Epic Excavating. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $838,130. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $36,056. Ultimate 2 is an ad of $31,624. Next bidder is Caterberg-Verhaeg. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $571,000. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $15,000. Ultimate 2 is an ad of $126,000. They have a voluntary alternate. Next bidder is Dean's Landscaping. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $669,600. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $7,650. Ultimate 2 is an ad of $84,400. Next bidder is Fisher Item Excavating. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $414,921. Ultimate 2 is an ad of $124,000. Next bidder is Dykem Excavators. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $620,000. Ultimate 1 is an ad of $10,000. Ultimate 2 is an ad of $37,500. Next bidder is Al's Excavating. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $559,459. Ultimate 2 is an ad of $38,800. Next category is number 17, synthetic turf. All right, first bidder is Caterberg-Verhaeg. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $660,000. Ultimate 3 is an ad of $19,000. Ultimate 5 is an ad of $33,500. We have some voluntary alternates. Next bidder is Al's Excavating. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $859,640. Ultimate 3 is an ad of $18,451. Ultimate 5 is an ad of $32,391. We have a voluntary alternate. Next bidder, Act Global Americas. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $697,410. Ultimate 3 is an ad of $23,391. Ultimate 5 is an ad of $23,429. Next bidder, Spring Turf. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $609,900. Ultimate 3 is an add of $15,500. Ultimate 5 is an add of $21,300. They have some voluntary alternates. Next bidder is A-Turf. They have the addendums. They acknowledge the schedule. Base bid, $729,000. Ultimate 3 is an add of $22,000. Ultimate 5 is an add of $27,400. Next bidder is Hellas Construction. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $844,540. Ultimate 3 is an add of $11,880. Ultimate 5 is an add of $9,180. Next bidder is AstroTurf Corporation. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $643,442. Ultimate 3 is an add of $15,205. Ultimate 5 is an add of $16,254. And they have some voluntary alternates. Next bidder is Field Turf USA. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $686,250. Ultimate 3 is an add of $25,603. Ultimate 5 is an add of $24,392. They have a voluntary alternate as well. Next category, number 18, tennis court surface and equipment. First bidder is Racket Sports. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $42,400. They have a voluntary alternate. Next bidder is Goddard Coatings. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $64,345. Next bidder is Pro Services. They have the addendums. They endorse the schedule. Base bid, $49,538. They have a voluntary alternate. Next category, number 19, fencing. First bidder, Straight Line Fence. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $274,273. Next bidder is Fence Consultants of West Michigan. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $239,000. Ultimate 1 is an add of $32,000 for new backstops. Next category, number 20, landscaping. First bidder is Horrocks Nursery. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $154,000. Ultimate 1 is an add of $3,150. Ultimate 2 is an add of $31,500. Next bidder is Caterberg Grehag. They got the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $145,700. Ultimate 1 is an add of $4,200. Ultimate 2 is an add of $4,000. Next bidder, Twin Lakes Nursery. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $174,800. Ultimate 1 is an add of $3,660. Ultimate 2 is C clarifications. Next bidder is DJ's Landscaping Management. They have the addendums and they endorse the schedule. Base bid, $173,318, and they have a voluntary alternate. That's it.
That's it.
Thank you, everybody. If you have any questions after this, feel free to give Dan Rathburn a call. Again, thank you, everybody.
Ethan.